Today's video is brought to you by Audible.com. Get your free audiobook now at audibletrial.com/logic. What's up, guys? Creighton here from logiclounge.com. This week's app of the week, we're going to be looking at FileMaker Go. Alright, welcome to FileMaker Go. It's the new version released from the FileMaker family, and it's free, both for the iPad and the iPhone. This content management app that has previously been a pretty expensive paid app is now a free app for both the iPhone and the iPad. You can use it for multitasking, improving media integration into getting tasks done. It's an all-around tap for getting tasks done and being productive. It has the ability to perform tasks and create tasks, and we'll go ahead and look through the app. This is the first page of the app. It's pretty simple. If you have any files that you do want to import, FileMaker does have its own proprietary FileMaker document saving. It's a FMP12. We can go ahead and we can either click on one and we can go ahead and view what's inside of it. You can see I have Word documents in here, PowerPoint presentations and stuff like that. And you can sort it by type or title, status, any sort of thing you want to sort it by, and then you can easily click and load up a document. This is the default settings here on, or this is actually a default program on here, so you can get the gist of an app, and you can see you can manage a specific document, assign it to people, give them tasks to do them, as well as when stuff is due. You can view a document here, so we can pull up this document. It opens it up in line, and you can see it. And then you can go ahead and either open it in a compatible application, open it in somewhere else, or print it as well. Moving on, you can also deal with the application in another way by replacing it with a different one, or exporting it, or just deleting it in general. So if it was the wrong document, you can delete it. You can add description notes, you can add dates, locations, stuff like that, where it's very easy, and it's a content management application. You know how we have content management websites? Well, this is basically to keep all of your content managed, whether you're working on a project with somebody or collaborating with others. You have tons of different ways to be able to manage applications, and if you do work with others, you can create a shared application and really work it around in different ways, especially when managing with different collaborators, because that's one of the big things that people like to do. They like to be able to collaborate together. So you can see here, this is another layout. It comes with a lot of layouts that you can pick and choose from. You can select layouts from forms to lists to any really incendiary items, and it's a very customizable app. I've been playing with it for the past couple of days, and I've been liking it. I've been using it for tasks, so you can create tasks like this one. It's pay the internet service due in 874 days, and of course you can go back and change when it's due. You can assign it to people, so right now it's assigned to me, but if you need to, you can assign it to a coworker or your wife or whoever does your bills. You can also attach different documents, so if you had an invoice, you can attach invoices, and the list goes on, and I think it's a wonderful app to really look around in and figure out everything that it has to do, because there's a lot of stuff here, and more than proves for a video of this short of length, especially for an app of the week. So it's free. Go ahead and check it out in the iTunes App Store. It's called FileMaker Go. There's tons of different options to pick from. It's totally customizable, and it's a very powerful app, especially for those task-oriented people who like to manage their lives. So check it out in the iTunes App Store for free. They have an iPad and an iPhone version. Both are free. If you have any questions for me, email me, Creighton@logiclounge.com. You can follow our social media profiles over on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+, all under the username of Logic Lounge. And until another app of the week or next video, we'll see you later.
Reading books is so old school. That's why today's sponsor is Audible.com, offering up over 100,000 titles to choose from for your iPhone, Android, Kindle, or MP3 player. By watching today, you can get a free 30-day trial and one free audiobook for yours to keep. They have books like Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson, or my personal favorite, The Stand by Stephen King. Use our URL, audibletrial.com/logic, and you can gain access to all these titles and much, much more. Remember, to get a free audiobook and 30-day free trial, go to audibletrial.com/logic. You're not only getting a great deal, but you're supporting the show.